Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, we're going to take a look at the role the Mainsail Outhaul plays in peak performance and how you can use this control for maximum sail power. In lighter winds or when reaching, you'll want to ease the outhaul to create a fuller sail. When you ease the outhaul, the foot of the main becomes shorter and the draft lies about 50% aft of the luff. In heavier winds, you'll want a flatter sail as shown in this second illustration. Now you can see how we've tensioned the outhaul and the foot of the mainsail is the full length of the boom. Draft has moved forward in the proper location, which will provide better drive and less weather helm. Now let's take a look at a condition called backwinding. Here we have a mainsail that's too full with not enough tension in the outhaul. The wind flows off the leech of the Genoa, strikes the mainsail in the forward half, and depowers the main. Note how now the draft has moved too far aft. This can cause excessive heeling and weather helm. Our first step will be to tension the outhaul to flatten the sail and move the draft forward. We can ease the headsail to open the slot as necessary. Use these easy sail trim tips to help you balance your boat and sail with more power, speed, and performance. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.